Have you ever wondered how you got your personality? Have you ever sometimes had that strange feeling of déjà vu, like you have been here before? Here is the secret revealed. Far, far away, on the ancestral plane, a mysterious figure steps forward and says, "It's now my turn to be reincarnated into the bloodline."
So then, Chukwu rises from his throne and asks, "And why you now at this time, my child?"
The ancestor responds, "My gifts and personality can guide the history and direction of this family into glory."
I'll tell her parents to give her my name, Chidiogo, meaning God is gracious, to make the child friendly, outgoing, and generous.
She flies through worlds to enter the body of the baby about to be born, but then is knocked off course by spiritual turbulence steering her towards the wrong body.
Chukwu then pushes her back on course, and Chidiogo's soul is reincarnated into the right body as a new life enters the world.